Welcome back to HK Auto Garage. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful and heavy-duty trucks out there, the 2025 GMC 6500. This beast isn't your average pickup. It's built for serious work, massive towing, and commanding presence. Whether you're a contractor, fleet operator, or someone who just needs a no-nonsense workhorse, the 6500 is all about capability with a dose of modern tech and comfort. Let's take a closer look at the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 GMC 6500 is built to make a statement. It has a massive front end with a towering stance, signature C-shaped LED headlights, and a bold, wide grille finished in chrome or black depending on the trim. The heavy-duty steel bumper and integrated tow hooks hint at the truck's readiness for tough jobs. The front hood opens forward, allowing for easy access to the engine bay, a design inspired by commercial-grade trucks. The side profile is long and tall, with multiple cab and bed configurations available. You can opt for a regular cab, crew cab, or extended cab setup depending on your needs. The fender flares are bold and pronounced, and the dual rear-wheel setup is available for maximum payload and towing stability. Around the back, the rear bumper includes an integrated step and heavy-duty hitch, and the taillights use high-visibility LED tech. Overall, the 6500 looks rugged, professional, and ready for anything. Inside the cabin, GMC has done a great job making the interior functional yet surprisingly comfortable. This truck may be all about utility, but it doesn't skip on creature comforts. You'll find durable vinyl or cloth seats in the base trims, easy to clean and long-lasting, while higher trims offer leather upholstery, power-adjustable seats, and even heated options. The dashboard is clean and practical, with large knobs and buttons that are easy to use even with gloves on. There's a digital driver display for key info like fuel range, oil pressure, and towing metrics, plus an 8 to 13-inch infotainment screen depending on trim level. You get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and a Wi-Fi hotspot as standard or optional, depending on configuration. Dual-zone climate control, multiple USB ports, and storage compartments throughout the cabin make it a very usable space for long hauls or job site days. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC 6500 packs serious muscle. The standard engine is a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8, producing around 350 horsepower and a monstrous 700 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to a 6-speed or 10-speed Allison automatic transmission, depending on the setup, and delivers smooth, confident power whether you're towing, hauling, or climbing steep grades. The 6500 is designed for serious loads with a gross vehicle weight rating of up to 22,900 pounds and towing capacity well beyond 16,000 pounds. It's built on a commercial-grade frame with upgraded suspension, heavy-duty axles, and an available 4x4 drivetrain. Despite its size and purpose, it drives smoother than you'd expect, thanks to well-tuned shocks and responsive steering. Safety features include lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system to make maneuvering a truck this size a bit easier. Now, when it comes to pricing, the 2025 GMC 6500 starts at around $59,000 for a base chassis cab model and can go well over $85,000 for fully equipped versions with crew cab, four-wheel drive, and premium interior options. This isn't your weekend truck. It's built to work hard and last. So that's the 2025 GMC 6500. Big, bold, and built to get the job done. Let us know in the comments. Would you take one of these over a lighter-duty pickup, or is this overkill for your needs? Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more heavy-duty reviews right here on HK Auto Garage.